talk about how can you add or change phone number on your package option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign or your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on profile here. So then you come to next step here. You click here on phone. Sorry. You click here on empty here. So then here add your phone number. When you add it, you click here on this sign, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.